You're gonna love the 2023 Hyundai Tucson. Choose the compact crossover that delivers an outstanding combination of quality, comfort, and safety. The Tucson. Remarkable for its smooth, refined ride, upscale European-inspired interior, standard touchscreen infotainment and driver assistance features, this SUV sets the bar for excellence. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: 4-cylinder engine, keyless start, lane keeping assist, backup camera, power driver seat, alarm, blind spot monitor, Bluetooth connection, electronic stability control, rear spoiler. Elevate the quality and comfort of your daily drive. Get into this outstanding Tucson. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.